Good morning students. Welcome to our computer class today. Today we are going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Windows 7 and page number is 36. So all of you open your book and take the pencil. The chapter will start with the concept of operating system. I hope all of you have heard the name operating system. Now what is an operating system? An operating system works as a bridge between software and hardware. In the previous chapters, you have already learned what is software and what is hardware, right? So this operating system concept is working just like a bridge between these two by establishing the communication between the software and hardware. Okay, so whenever we give an instruction through software, it is passed on to the operating system. And it then uses this instruction and determines how the hardware and software of a computer can be utilized in the best possible way. Okay, so the first concept about operating system is that it works as a bridge between software and hardware. And the second concept is that it uses instruction and determines how to utilize the software and hardware in the best possible way. Clear to all? Okay, now we will know about some operating system names. The names of some operating system are Windows, Linux, Unix. These are the most well-known operating system. Okay. So can you see the picture? How the operating system is making a bridge between the software and the hardware? Yes, I think this picture will make the concept clear. And now we will move to the next topic, that is desktop. This name is also very familiar to all of you. So what is a desktop? Desktop is the main screen, right? It is the main screen. It is the work area where we can get dialog boxes, windows, icons and menus. All of them appear on the desktop. Clear to all? Okay. So what we will remember, this is the main screen and dialog boxes, windows, icons, menus, all of them appear here. And why desktop is also used? It is also used to do your job. Okay. So whatever function you will have to do in the computer, desktop is also used for that. So can you see the picture of desktop? Yes. What we can see here, the gadgets, the wallpaper, the icons, the start button and then the taskbar. So these are the main important parts of a desktop. Okay, I hope all of you will remember this picture. Now let us move to the next page, and in the next page, that is page number 37, we will learn about the desktop icons. Okay, so all of you first know what is icon. Icon means small pictures. Okay, if you open your computer, let it be desktop or laptop, don't you see some small pictures on the desktop area? Just after starting your computer on the screen, can't you see some small pictures? Yes, and those small pictures are known as icons. What they are known as? They are known as icons. So desktop is the place where you will get icons for many of your most frequently used programs. Okay, for those programs which we use frequently, which are used frequently. Now you will most likely see icons for computer, documents, recycle bin and Internet Explorer. These are the most commonly seen icons. So we will learn all of them one by one. Okay. So desktop icons are nothing else but the small pictures on the screen, and now we will learn about the different parts of it. First of all, which is coming? Computer. It allows to see computer drives and also the files located on these. You will just underline these statements in your book because these are the main statements given in the chapter. So what is computer? Computer allows to see computer drives and also the files that are saved or located on those drives. Next is documents. Now what is document? All types of files, music and pictures, everything that you store in the computer is called document. Everything, all of them will be called document. Okay. Now the next one is recycle bin. This is also a very popularly known familiar word. Recycle bin. Now what is recycle bin? Bin. We can get this word bin with dustbin. So bin is the place where we can throw something which is not in use. And in recycle bin also, all the deleted files are stored. What is stored there? All the deleted files, they are stored in the recycle bin. And you can even restore them from there. You can even get back those deleted files from the recycle bin. Okay. Next is Internet Explorer. The fourth point is Internet Explorer. It contains Windows inbuilt web browser, which is already there inside the computer and helps to activate any site. Okay, so you can activate any website through the help of Internet Explorer. Now we will move to the next topic, and that is changing wallpaper on the same page, page number 37. So first of all, we will have to know what is wallpaper. Wallpaper is nothing but the background picture of the Windows desktop. Okay, so if the question is asked to you, what is wallpaper? What will be your reply? Wallpaper is the background picture of the Windows desktop. And how you can change it? There are some steps through which you can change the wallpaper. First of all, you will have to do right click on desktop. You will make one right click on the desktop screen. And then one box will come, and then you will click on the personalize option. Okay. Then what you will do? You will click on desktop background. And then you will click on the wallpaper of your choice to select that. Okay. So these four are the steps of changing wallpaper. But before that, you should be clear about your concept of wallpaper. The next is screensaver. Now what is a screensaver? A screensaver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for a certain set period of time. For a certain set period of time. Okay? That is called screensaver. Okay, so it is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for a certain set period of time. Now how you can set the screensaver? Again there are some steps. You will have to click on personalize option in the same way, and you will have to click on screensaver. Then you will have to choose a screensaver, and you will also have to set the time for the screensaver to appear. Then you will click on the OK button and the screensaver will be selected. Okay, so in that way you can set your screensaver. Now we will move to the next page, that is page number 39. Screensaver is already in 38. I forgot to mention the page. Now we are in page number 39 and we will learn about changing date and time. Okay. Very easy. 2 steps only. We will have to click on date and time on the extreme right of the taskbar. On the extreme right part of the taskbar, we will have to click on the icons of date and time. And then we will click change date and time settings. Okay? And then you will set the date and time accordingly. From the calendar, you will set the date and you will put the time also. So that's all about changing date and time. You will follow these steps which will help you to learn quickly instead of going to the detail of your book. Now we are in page number 41 and we will learn the next topic, that is applying theme. But before that we will have to know what is a theme. A theme is a combination of pictures, color and sound. So what is a theme? You will have to learn the definition. A theme is a combination of pictures, color and sounds. Now what is the step that you will have to follow to apply theme? Let us learn the steps. First you will right click and choose personalize option. Then you will choose a theme and click on window color. Then again you will choose a color and enable transparency. And after that you will click on the Save Changes button. That will do. Okay? Okay. Now we will move to page number 43. And our next topic is adjusting sound. Now there are simply 4 steps for adjusting sound. Let us see. Click on the Start button. Click on the Control panel. Click on Sound. Then Sound option will be opened and you will have to adjust system volume. These 4 steps if you can follow, you will be able to adjust sound. Clear to all? So that's all about the steps that is given in your book. The themes and the sound and then the date and time. These are the steps you will have to follow. And also the screensaver and wallpaper. Now we will move to the next topic. Okay? That is multiple windows. In multiple windows, there are 4 points. First one is cascade windows. Second one is show windows stacked. Third one is show windows side by side. Fourth one is show the desktop. So first of all, we will discuss cascade windows. Okay. So when you click on this option, all the open program windows get arranged on your desktop. Clear to all? Cascading means laying out the open windows on the desktop like sheets of paper with only the title bar of most windows visible. If you need to bring one of these windows to the front, just click on its title bar and you will get it. You don't have to go through the detail. You just learn the names. That is very important. The next one is show windows stacked. So when you click on this option, all the open program windows get arranged horizontally like tiles on your desktop. If 2 programs are open, you get 2 tiles, each taking up half of the screen. If 3 programs are open, each will be sized to about 1/3 of the screen, and in that way it will be proceeded. Clear to all? Very easy. And the next one is show windows side by side. So when you click on this option, all the open program windows on your desktop will be arranged vertically like tiles. This is very easy. And the last one is show the desktop. So that is when you click on this option, all the open program windows on your desktop get minimized as taskbar buttons and you are able to see your desktop fully. Okay? So that's all about the chapter. Now we will have to do the exercises. And you will have to do these exercises in your book only. And for writing part, I will send it separately. Okay? So let us start our exercise. What is the first one? Fill in the blanks. The background of the desktop is called the dash. What will be your answer? Wallpaper. Number 2. A dash is a combination of pictures, color and sounds. What will come in the blank? Theme. Number 3. Dash stores the deleted files. We have just learned that it will be recycle bin. Number 4. Most commonly used OS, that is operating system, is, yes, it will be Windows. And then the second one, that is write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1. When you click on tile windows vertically, the windows will be arranged horizontally. No, this is false. Linux and Unix are the examples of operating system. Yes, this is true. The small pictures that we see on the desktop are the desktop icons. Yes, very true. And the fourth one is an operating system is a bridge between hardware and software. Again, this is true. We have learned that. Now, the next objective type question is number VA. Circle the odd one out in the following. Number 1 is taskbar, icons, wallpaper, MS Paint. So all these 3 are visible and this is a little bit not visible part of the desktop. And again, this is the app, MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. and all these are the icons that we can see on the desktop. Number 2 is Windows 7, Unix, MSW logo and Linux. So these three, Windows 7, Unix and Linux are the operating system, and MSW logo will not be counted in this group. So this is the odd one. And now the next question. Find out words from the jumbled words with the help of hints given below. First one will be desktop icons. Second one will be theme. Third one will be screensaver. Fourth one will be wallpaper. So that's all about the chapter. No, one more question is there. Fun time part we will have to do. I already told you to learn that picture with all the names. Can you remember? And you will also have to draw this one. You will have to practice the diagram also. Label the parts of the desktop. What is the first one? These part, the clock and the date. These are called gadgets. Then we will move to the small pictures of this site. They are called icons. And then we will come to the next part, that is the bar that is coming at the below area, and the first icon of that bar, it will be start button. And then we will learn about the last bar which we were talking about. It will be task bar. And before that, one more is there, that is the wallpaper on the screen. Okay, so that's all about the chapter. I hope all of you will read it thoroughly and practice the question answers and the small question answers also. Objective type questions you will write in the book only. Thank you. Take care. Bye.